I got some new clay bits for the shop. I'm gonna see how they go. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, so I got these, the bears, and then they sent me these as a little free gift. Let me know if you, sorry about my nails. Let me know if you like these and you want me to order these. They have little flowers and stars and little candies. There's a miscellaneous one in there. But, and then these are too funny. They're too funny to pass out. How to get these? My youngest daughter told me that it stands for Poopy Life. I'm like, okay. And all the hearts can start to go back. But, so I got those, and then I have another package. I think there's only one in this one. But I do have a package that should be showing up later on this week that has more, like a lot more clothes. This is a bigger bag. But I got the little lips. They're so cute. So, 3 little Valentine's plays. These and these. I think I'm gonna order, the next time I order, besides the ones that I already ordered, I'm gonna order from this one because I think the bags are heavier. So I'll have to look and see what the quantity was. But unless it's just because the bag is bigger itself, then yeah, I think they're bigger. They printed 2 labels for me. It's weird. Anyways, and then they sent this free sample. I thought this was cute. I think, do you feel like this is too Valentine-y? Or do you think I can get away with this throughout the year? And I think next time I'm gonna order 2 bags of each instead of just one. So I can get more out of it. But I'm gonna see how these do. If these do good, then I'm going for it. Okay, I got more packages. These are a little dirty. I should be wearing gloves, but I'm not. I'm posting this before I post the products this time. These are much smaller than I thought. The bundles, much smaller bundles. But I got these little shaped hearts. These are like a fuchsia pink. Little hearts. I don't know if it's focusing. Oh, there, that's better. And then I got some purple ones. I ordered these a little late for Valentine's Day. I'm still gonna like make a mix and put them out, but we'll see what happens. This is what I'm really excited about. Is this? Huh. This wasn't supposed to be here till tomorrow. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Alright, that's everything. Sorry. I'm really excited about these. So I've been getting small bags just because I'm testing out to see how they do, you know? Because so far I haven't been selling a lot of glitter, but can you see those? They're like little heart lollipops. Again, don't mind my nails. I still haven't fixed them. I'm busy. I got the Evil Eye clays. I saved my favorites for last. Oh, honestly, they're all my favorites, but got the little candies. And then this one's so cute. Look at how cute it is. And then this is the last one. It's my favorite. It's the little cherry blossoms. It's so pretty. I swear, when you guys see them in person, they're gonna be so much better. Alright, let's see what came in this package. Like, the post office guy literally just left. And I'm like, I have to open them now. I was in the middle of prepping orders to be packaged. But I had to stop because this is exciting. I saw something. Okay, so some of this was an accident. Some of this was like me being too excited and I didn't pay attention to what I was getting. So I may not reorder this, but I think it'll be super cool for like a trial to see how it is. So I got the red. The thing is, probably should put that on my face. The thing is, it's square cut. Do you see those? They're squares. But it's a really pretty red. I really like the red. They clearly suck all the air out of the bags because I can't squish it around. But, come on. I don't want to drop it and it like everywhere. Square glitter. My husband's gonna be like, you need to start wearing a hazmat suit since you're dealing with glitter more, and take it off before you leave. Okay, I got another square glitter. I like that they double bag them a lot like this because then that means that if they explode, then there's less likely for the whole thing to be just gone. Oh my gosh, these serious bags. But it's so pretty though. I freaking love it. I love it so much. So this is another square cut. Another oops. But I didn't know this one was supposed to be here today. I knew these were supposed to be here today. The hearts and the clays. But I did not know this one was supposed to be here today. This one said it was still in California yesterday. Unless I didn't pay attention to the dates. Which is a potential. This one I am obsessed with. Hold on. Ah, I just missed my chair. Don't miss my, don't even worry about the hair. I'm just a mess. Okay. So, I got another purple glitter. This is not square cut. This is hexagons. This is a chunky mix. So I wanted to show you. This is the current glitter that I have. This is in the old packaging. Don't disregard. This is Very Berry. And this is the new one. It's like a lighter purple. It's really pretty. It's like a violet. It's so pretty. Purple's my jam. They're so freaking sparkly. Look at that. should do that with the red one. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. This is not the size bags I want to order every time, but I want to start ordering bigger bags, but I need to start selling it before I do that. I think I might, like if I know I'm going to be making mixes with the glitter, I might order the bigger bags and then save like this amount for the solid glitter and then use the other part for mixing. But this one's less rainbowy. It's still rainbowy, but it's like less. I like it. Because then that gives it like that true red color. Because I feel like if it's too rainbowy, then you lose the red a little bit. I don't know. I might not be making sense. But these will be on the shop soon. So let me know what you think about the square glitter. It's different than I've seen. I think I've only seen one other seller have square glitter. But yeah, this one's my favorite. I think this one's gonna be named after my shop. And then I have another mix that's coming that'll be named, or two other mixes that'll be named after two other shops. Only one of them know. The other one does not know. But it's so pretty. Anyways, later.